Your favorite breakfast is actually a chemical battleground where bubbles determine your morning's success. Most people think pancakes are just fried dough, but they are actually edible sponges engineered for maximum syrup absorption. The buttermilk pancake. This is the undisputed American classic, famous for its thick, fluffy texture and tangy flavor. The secret isn't in the milk, but in the acid-base reaction that creates thousands of tiny carbon dioxide bubbles. Without this reaction, you aren't eating a pancake. You're eating a rubbery disc of disappointment. The Japanese soufflé pancake. These look like wobbly yellow clouds and can be up to 3 inches tall. They rely on egg whites whipped into a stiff meringue, making them the most delicate item on this list. In Japan, people wait in line for hours just for a stack that deflates if you don't eat it within 10 minutes. The crepe. These are the paper-thin French cousins of the pancake, designed to be folded or rolled rather than stacked. Unlike American pancakes, they contain no leavening agents, which is why they stay flat and flexible. In France, they are street food royalty, but a common misconception is that they are only for dessert. The Dutch baby. This isn't cooked on a griddle, it's baked in a scorching hot cast iron skillet. As it bakes, the sides climb up the walls of the pan, creating a massive puffy bowl shape. It's the ultimate theatrical pancake, though it's actually German in origin, not Dutch. The blueberry pancake. This is the most popular fruit-filled variety, but there is a professional secret to making them. If you mix the berries into the batter, they will burst and turn the whole thing a sickly gray. Top-tier chefs always drop the berries onto the pancake after the batter hits the griddle. The Buckwheat Pancake. These are the earthy, dark-colored alternatives that offer a nutty flavor profile. They are naturally gluten-free and were the original pancake of American pioneers. Today, they are making a massive comeback as a high-protein superfood option. The Protein Pancake. This is the modern gym bro version of breakfast, replacing flour with whey protein or mashed bananas. They are notoriously difficult to get right because protein powder becomes incredibly dry when heated. If you find a brand that actually tastes good, you've basically found a culinary unicorn. The Silver Dollar Pancake. These are miniature versions, about 2 inches wide, named after the US coin they resemble. They aren't just for kids. They offer the highest surface area to syrup ratio of any pancake. They are the favorite of luxury hotel brunches because they look much more expensive than they actually are.